Hey guys, this is Taco Master LM back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a science experiment with Burrito Boy. And the reason why I didn't do this yesterday is because I didn't have enough time. Yeah, we didn't have enough time. And so
What are you making?
we're making a butterfly feeder.
Okay. Are you going to tell them what you need? So first you need to have a cup. You need to have glue, fishing line, a cut up plastic bag into the shape of petals, a cotton ball, 9 tablespoons of water, and you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the Karo syrup. And then you need a pin, a pen, and of course the scissors to cut the petals out of the plastic. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is make your holes in your cup, which you are going to use that little tiny pin and poke your holes, one on each
How
side.
many holes? Oh, one on each side.
Of the top.
Turn it upside. And you want to make one exactly across from it.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Oh, you can't have it side by side.
Okay, and then you're going to also poke a hole on the bottom too, and then you can pass the pin over there to Burrito Boy and he can do his.
It's like a little mouse's sword.
Okay, so what you're going to do is use your fishing line, and you're going to poke the fishing line through the holes
Don't
on
put
each
your
side.
finger- Safety tips. Watch this kid and don't do it.
Almost perfect.
Did you put a hole in the bottom?
No. In the middle, center.
Yep. Okay, then you're going to take your fishing line and you're going to go through the top holes only, and you're going to tie it. So that way that's going to be what you hang up the butterfly feeder.
So you push it in across.
It can be, or you can just do it, tie 2 knots, 1 on each side, but look how Leon's doing it. Makes sense. One, it'll only need 1
Not at the top.
knot at the top, but you'll have to do that twice. So do that.
You
I
need
to
it
pick
bigger.
A hole.
No, the other way.
Can you help him?
Take some string out like this because you need enough to hang it from the porch. It's tough to see. I can't see it.
And then you tie it at the top.
You can.
Dang it.
Remember when we made Gak with glue?
Mm-hmm. That was fun, huh?
Dad, when you're done,
Yeah.
can you tie it for me, please?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So once the string is in, that's what you're going to hang it with once you're all done. But the hole that's on the bottom that you poked with the pin, you're then going to take the pen
And make it bigger?
and make the hole bigger, because that's where the cotton ball is going to go.
You don't need to put the... Bigger
A
than
little
that.
bit bigger. You want it to kind of be like enough that you can shove the cotton ball, but not too big where
Do
it's
you want
falling.
me to do it?
I thought using
You don't need the pen
scissors would be a
point.
good,
Watch.
a better idea.
No.
Oh. So you put the cotton ball
So
in?
twist the end of the cotton ball just a little bit in order to be able to get it in the hole, you know?
Like that?
I'll do the bigger hole part.
No, I gotta get your lines reserved.
Leon,
He doesn't have enough fishing line.
just cut a bigger piece.
I'm just saying he didn't have enough fishing line.
Now see, there you go. See if you can.
Is that good?
Pull it up a little bit from the inside of the cup now, just to make sure that it's gonna stick. Got it in there good?
Yeah.
Okay. Once you have that done, the next step is that you're gonna take your cutout petals and you're gonna glue it around where the cotton ball is, because you're trying to build it so it looks like a flower for the butterflies. And there's no right or wrong way with this, but if you use colorful plastic bags, it might be attractive.
It's
But
not open. This one's open.
Wait, is it possible?
You only need
to
like a
make,
drop and then put a petal on and then put another drop and then put a petal
sugar
on.
water out of the stuff?
that's what we're doing.
Oh.
What's sugar water?
Is this good for the first petal?
Yep, you're just gonna do that all the way around the cup then.
Okay. This should be easy.
Thank you.
You don't need
Where'd
to point
that
out.
where'd that pin go then?
Put it right here
Okay.
somewhere.
We'll just make sure we didn't
Not that
lose it.
hard.
This looks pretty good so
Give me
far.
it.
Right, Mom?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah.
Can you do that, please?
You're doing good.
We might need to do this again. He ripped the side of the cup up, trying to push a hole through there.
There's some cups out in the kitchen. It might be okay though with the flour being glued around it. It might seal it
Just
up.
thinking about putting glue on it to begin with.
I'm almost done with the flowers. Flower.
You want to put a lot of petals around it.
A lot, like these examples. A lot.
So basically as many as you want.
Yep.
As long as it's a lot.
Where did the thing go you wanted? You put it back, the pinhole thingy? Because what I did was I poked a bunch of holes in the same spot and then the pen went down really easy. Like since he already smashed the side of the cup down. Thank you.
I had no idea that would happen now.
So while you're making your flour, I'll tell you why this is going to be attractive, bless you, to the butterflies. Sugary water is similar to the nectar that flowers make. So the sweet liquid that's made in the flower is what the butterflies try to eat. The bright petals, which we don't have really bright petals, but if you did, they would attract the butterfly to the feeder, and then they can suck the sugary water as it soaks into the cotton ball, because we're going to put the sugary water in the cup, and then it'll come down into the cotton ball.
Ours will
And-
still work though, right?
Yes. And Leon, do you remember we talked about what that long tube is called?
Uh-huh.
Do you remember what that is?
Not really, but kind of.
That means no.
No. But I kind of remember, but no. Not
Proboscis.
Really. Oh, yeah.
Remember?
proboscis.
The long tube that the butterfly has that drinks the nectar out is called a proboscis. And that's how it eats.
I never learned that in school.
Well, now you know. And it's pretty cool because we can actually make it, and the butterflies will then want to hang out on our porch, hopefully. And we'll get to see the beautiful butterflies.
Hopefully porch doesn't sneak out.
No.
Is this a good amount so far?
Yeah, if you think. Are you ready to go to the next step?
I'm gonna put more on.
Okay. Burrito
It doesn't
boy.
matter how they go on
We're
there. You
still
can put them
waiting.
wherever
But
you
this
need.
looks like a flower enough.
But
Okay.
see how these look like flowers also?
That's fine if that's how you want your flower to be. Okay, the next step then, Taco.
Why is there blue right there?
That's
Right
just
in.
on the plastic bag that we used to cut up.
I
You've
think
already called
that
him by
color
his
would
name
look
twice.
better for a flower.
It's
you go.
fine.
I don't care. I'm just saying you said taco and I was laughing like.
It's fine. Anyway, what's the next step?
Okay, you're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the Karo syrup to your water and stir it.
So is that the full spoon?
Yep. But we're not gonna add the water, the liquid, the sugar water.
Do it over the thing.
We're not gonna add it into the cup until we go
Missed it. You need that.
outside.
Wait, does sugar water
Can
taste
you
good?
go into the? No, you can't drink it. You go in and get a paper towel.
Yeah, I already knew what you were gonna say.
So do we stir it? Okay. What's it gonna look like when we stir it?
Just like sugar water. It's just gonna be like water. It's just gonna have that sugary flavor in it.
This on that.
While you're waiting for your cup, do you want to do your sugary water too? That way
Yes,
you're ready
please.
when.
Thank you. And thank you. I'll hold the spoon over it.
Mhm.
Is this good?
You think it's all stirred in there?
Yeah. Let me just do a few more stirs.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that much good?
Yep,
Yeah.
that looks good.
Just dump it down in there.
And just stir it up.
Why is my finger sticky?
Because that
sugar.
stuff's sticky and you poured it. Don't touch your hair. Because then it'll be in your hair.
And
Put
if
this
you're
on
ready, you can use my
You
flour.
don't need it on there. You didn't spill any, did you?
Nope.
Then that you don't need it.
So I just leave it in the cup.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought you put them.
Finn, you can just use my flour
You can do the.
so we can go out.
Okay.
You can put the thing in there.
But after we go out and
come
hand
here.
these, could I finish this one?
Yep.
Okay.
What's that? Right there.
Air bubble.
Oh, it's hard to say. Are you ready to take your flour out and fill it up with the sugar water?
Real nice. Don't
Okay.
force. It should twist right in the hole.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, doing.
You can leave the spoon here.
Like that.
Wait. Alright.
That will be good, right?
Let me look.
You can take that flour right there and your water.
So this one?
That's a good idea.
Thanks.
Hopefully I mixed it up good enough.
What type of flower does this look like, Mom?
It looks like maybe a daisy.
So now what do I do?
So now you're gonna hang it. And you're gonna pour your sugar water in the flour.
doesn't matter where I hang it.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Okay, so we
Maybe
just
you
have
hang
to
it
wait
here,
for
Mom?
the butterflies to come. Huh? Okay, so that was it for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Adios, muchachos.